What's up my people? Welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. My people, we're gonna run through that one, yeah. Quick and fast, man, I don't do too much talking. So the Lion Man, my people link up with Zozo and Ziggy them and something. You know what I mean? And the Lion Man bring down Zozo. But me I wonder how them say them cancel Zozo. But him a go on good. You know what I mean? Me don't know if I just a one match here, him a go on good either. But based on what I see on the match how he did a play, he go on good. You see me I say? So him still have people that support him. So when you reach out some people and watch the video, they give my opinion some more upon that. See, we also have Dragga my people. What the Dragga they have to kinda deal with the baby mother away when she go up on live and a beg on them way. You see me? So Dragga explain everything and why him no want him woman to beg pan life. You know what I mean? Cause the people him a blame him and I say boy, he make him woman come off a TikTok and one bag of something. You see me I say, me tell you something my people. You see anyhow you be that person there where you go up on people life go beg them, you're not gonna make it on TikTok. Everybody are gonna run from you no matter who you be. You understand? You have to be a person where you try to create your own lane and make it on TikTok, and when you make it then them are gonna come on. You see me, so I'm gonna share what Dragga have to say about her and begging on TikTok, right? Also who have Candy my people. Candy rob the prophet woman, cause this prophet woman must say she a go drop out, you know what I mean? Candy a go drop out. You see it? Although everybody have an expiry date, you know what I mean? But you don't want a person where claim them as spiritual decide that to come say rare. Talk good about people, man. If a body a go talk, don't talk it. Why sense of talking bad about somebody say something bad a go happen to them? Why sense? Tell me, why sense out there? For them stop certain things that them are doing rare. Come on, you have better way you can tell the person something like that. You know what I mean? But people, let me know what they think, right? So we also have done with people cause you know what I mean? I remember this woman who named Candy High Life where take with mackerel baby father. So right now Dana talk about the situation with she cause she did come forward, you know, my people and said Dan send man to come analyze our place in our yard, you know what I mean, and one bag of something people. So Dan I go talk about it and also bring down cheese some more. So I don't know if I left out nothing but anything I left out in the intro. I go see it in the video my people and maybe even add more things as we go on. So we could get in it.
Them would get put first, but you see sometimes some bitch always tell themselves say, oh the boy and I deal with me good, never try get a baby female say for mother love me. You fucking
blood and sister.
Get close and they don't want
you see baby?
I try old man
well I know let me say something to you. You see baby, you see when I get a youth inspire figure go harder in our life and have things in our life. Baby motivate people. Enough people was giddy head and when them get a youth that push them.
Yeah.
Can't tell her that. I careless people make the youth live.
Everybody have love and when they get the youth, they know real love and sitting.
Enough of we never plan for. Enough of we mother fuck around our father and get with. You see me I say I would all live the worst. But when me I say people must take care of them responsibility. Everybody can make it, and everybody can be somebody,
I'm from the gate, they go to school. I'm from daylight, them the pinning they not go to school. So I don't feel like right now they would have push out no effort to
forget lack of people. So once you pick now go to school, you forget lack of people.
That me I say, oh, one you know get lack of for the little one them figure in school.
Don't forget lock up, brother.
And if anybody we are.
Katie, my oldest child, is 7 years old. And if the family start off picnic Katie, me no do road, me no touch road. Me just want to be a mother. Me just want to love them. Me just want to be them. Me just want to help them with homework. Me just want to cook their food with so much love. Me then tell me say, mommy, me love your food. Give me some more. Me just want to be a mother.
Anything else, my lord, my vulgar, me not know about me. My love cuss bad, don't tell me anything when I want to tell me. When you can't tell me something bad. You don't understand nothing. Etiquette, you know, want you can't get it. You have a lot of people out there who really want a child and cannot have any.
We never good something, man. The mother them just.
And if I treat Dragga one them good, all them go treat Mika one we are go ban no good and she no good granny. And dance Mika one, oh you go treat that one the Annie and you no good granny to Dragga one them.
When me woman them now hold on on them pussy. As the woman them meet the man them a let go them pussy early. So them a let go them.
Part of me no cut you, but me want to something real fast before me forget. Let me tell you, me know say Annie no one nice person. Me remember what Chanel did happen, but we look last baby did a stay with Annie. And every blessed day Annie turn on video and make video feel like a girl. What is Chanel? Even one last corner there feel pitney. I mean I feel and I say my go on Annie I don't want good regardless of where Chanel and Dragga gone if pitney pan you or your grand pitney love him and care for see him way.
All me say yo the woman them for the better yeah man.
Be granny, she now up and down like young girl.
Sparta, you have a lot of people out there, right, who want a child and cannot get none, yeah? So they say want, get it, no want it, can't get it.
Yeah, but me I say the woman them a let go pum pum to alright. You meet a woman now, yeah, she go up on date first and second time. By the third time, woman a let go pum pum, you know, she not draw the something for all 1 2 months. You know, if the man leave her up to
at 2025, you're in a back at this time.
no, you have to try it out, girl. When you walk
as a man, woman,
I know work out. How that make you look?
I will bring that. I mean, I know I must see.
Katie, I mean alone see Annie the live like rainfall and the all stop blow off and the place light up. Yes, I mean alone see the screen recording there.
Yesterday.
I hear no, me so come back, the AC.
And quick and hang up when he up on the phone with the white man.
You know, your TikTok police say you can't lie down in a honey bed and see out the road to reply. And he even say they can push stick through you and juke them.
Between me and you know, when Annie see the camera yesterday.
Good boys, if you stop and watch me. Dirty TikTok police, stop and watch me. It's like, him and watch me and I use me as a cuss me not and he can't be still no. They can't take the camera and out of the house. Look here now, girl. Look here. The lady don't have nothing about her and she don't want nowhere. Just when you don't want something, there's no way people can force you to want. You know, go so.
Mighty, you see all the curtain where they are the bathroom doorway when Annie turned the camera yesterday. Annie can get piece of string if you don't have no curtain rod. Annie are that old people used to use when me a grow that my granny used tear string. If no rod no did and pop down cause the rod they always stretch out or what. Tear string and run the string with pin or so through the curtain. If you ever see me say spin the camera and look on the curtain and
here a Christian and Annie right there Christian and sell cheap. Bossy rod the way you put up your jeep on. Them bossy rod the way you put up your jeep fine at the market for $1,000. Girl when you talk about people stop use them to sit a long time and it just
cheap. 150 for one and 150 for one, them cheap.
girl, me I tell you say and he put them in the market. He can get the iron rod them. You know the iron rod them where they put drape on. Yeah, down in the market that sell $1,000 a pair.
Hold on there guys, red hands are beat up up Anna, then what does that feel with you? Anna want to beat now.
I
want to beat now. Anna take me because that the baby day in a baby ready for and me hear somebody say so much years and Annie the part earth and in a live no way and in a make no out alive.
Me dear.
So much years. I want big woman and they are back and forth with man every day. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Beauty in people them in Africa live better life than.
Hey, my people, let me tell you something, man. There's no excuse for, as a person, whether on social media and I do live on them something there, there's no excuse for that person don't have a nice place. You know what I mean? I don't mean like you go out, go buy up some money for this and money for that, you know. You know what I mean? It's like any them, I don't know what to say still. Because as the woman them say, you can buy certain curtain and curtain rod and them something there for $50. You know what I mean? It's cheap. And you know what I mean? But maybe I don't really familiarize ourselves with them something there. Cause from you know familiarize with them something there, now go pop up in your brain and say, yo, go buy this and put it at the window and ray this and that and play. You know what I mean? So and you have to do better still. Bigger one thing. But them people you find every little fault to bring down the woman some of the time, yeah, man. But let me know what the thing with people.
Annie, when you see people them in Africa, you see all of them beard off and have on them slippers and then clean. And you see one big pot of food that cook and everybody sit down and wait. Make Annie then go fire. Them a go like say Jamaica worse. Them a go like say no better no they Jamaica and then can't work. Them a go like say Jamaica one of the hardest country on the blood clot map. She will stop it because no amount of money can help her mash. No amount of money can help her. Abiana, I tell you right now, if somebody winning super lotto, and say, I want to give this to Annie to change her life, you make a big mistake. I will go listen Annie with all one tree man.
Right, I know you.
Three man to take care of.
And not only that, in getting money today, and by next week, you have none. So all me bad man one girl and have no purpose in a blood clot life. Hey, fuck it. I idiot come over here going to talk about bad man, you know, they don't see the word and don't know what I mean. Yeah, me lay down in my house for my bed. And one cow come right in. What day I lay down in my house? What day I lay down in my house for my bed and one cow come in my mind. And me say, after September, me I buy one blood clot come. I have to buy a cow. PNP, I go jump up today, then they upon the crossroad, I go and bottom. Lord, me and them out here tonight when they know. Not even, look how much money and have, and not even one goat and you know one in them blood clot. Him can't say sell tomorrow if he broke. Not even a goat.
Money and you own a cow. Not even
he said, Aki walk sleep side of Annie. You know, hear that? Outside of Annie, Aki walk asleep.
in the same bed. And
all of the towel them with Annie and move. All of the towel them with Annie and keep out of the heat back. Annie she.
After Annie done use out LD and park him.
LD no ever drunk, right?
For the catty we say she want the cow. $8,000 up a search for one cow. You remember saying? Ungo bully I get though. $8,000 for a young calf up a search.
No, hello sir, tell me buy two up there with the $8,000 me pay for them.
How much for them?
I pay 18,500 and change.
So me ask you a question. Was they over a day old? Wait, let me talk to her. Because she just tell me, the woman know me and the woman tell me, I lie, I don't own much cow. But watch out, let me ask you a question. Was they over a day old? Yes or no? Yes, yes they was. Because if they was the same day when they, if they born the same morning, mama, listen, me I tell you, I search to go buy me cow them. If they buy the same morning, me not curse neither, me I tell you where the cow off buy a cow.
Listen to what me I say, which part you come from?
Mama, you can't really say that. You can't really say any search. Any search. Any search, cause all you have to do is go online and they will tell you the same price. Where you probably buy is you probably buy a Brahman.
Gonna co-argument.
No man, we're not gonna co-argument. But just like the moment I say something good a while ago, it makes sense. So me just come up for you to tell you where they can get it from. Come up, hey, just allow me, man. But come up and tell the woman them where they can get them cow from. So you can, so you can go and search. You can go and search. You can go and search and get a cow for $8,000 first year bar. You're lucky. That's why Annie now, cause she never want none neither.
Me no want no cow to buy. Alright, so no can't don't know. I know people have 50 chicken, much less cow. How to reach a cow and the woman can't even buy the food team and the the woman can't afford to buy 1 pound of cow, much less.
Yo, beauty Saya, me telling you so you can't make millions off a cow, you know, but watch your one. When them a young effer, when them a young bull, but Surge does not like bull. Surge only like the effer them. So them a sell out them bull them like nothing. Them a sell that dash out them bull like nothing. If you're a Brahman bull, you can get it for $9,000 and add. If you're a Jamaica Hope, you can get it for $8,000. Me I tell you.
Come to talk about Kendall now.
Just come to tell you that. That's it.
I said no guys, what do you see Annie in I told with a shave her front in I
Good information, yeah, sir.
wanna see how Annie they wrap up with it in I towel. You see the Annie never used to towel. I am even tell me say, oh man God, the people them guess house the TV towel them.
So you know what the woman
police say every time I got people them guess house, you come back home with the towel and people them tired of you.
Roll them up and put our head for pillar.
Oh, somebody basically has said if we there say tell Annie to buy a cow and go, but she doesn't buy a pillow yet. This can't be. This can't real.
You don't know pillar, I guess I'll towel them in your TikTok police. I guess I'll tell them
TikTok boss. TikTok police. If my waist man still, you know. Me not girl, you man make up your waist man, you know. Because guess what, Annie not no pillar, you know. Annie not no pillar, but you think up on the bed and you never have no problem with it, you know. A waist man that, you know. Big crook up your body, you know.
the same bed where you go on with
Annie can get Parsheen.
Yo, one time when me younger, me asked me have an old bed I used to sleep on, and one woman me ever deal with one savage way. She come from my bed and then I tell me about my bed, oh, me just flip the whole bed with her. I'm telling you, man, you can't come from the bed and I come and use my whole pillow them and lie down and then come diss me about them later. No, make the world diss me, but you, but come lie down on it with me? No.
But you be a this woman, enough be a this woman in road. Oh, so
We have one more thing in our book.
remember when TikTok police say when Ima and Annie sleep on the bed, Aki Walker sleep in a settees. So weird. You mean if you tell me say I all broke down settees when it in a house in my sleep?
And then he said sometimes I think the police sleep side and Annie on the bed too sometimes. So sometimes
So well then that the settees they're not supposed to full of lice. I all of their skin full of scratch and then yazzy so.
Shall me have one more?
It's supposed to be in that the coach there.
yeah, TikTok
pray for me at the same time. Would I really appreciate that. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday. I hope you get up and just keep it positive and keep it festive, as I wanna tell me. I smell so yes, I dog poop. Yes, our clock. I guess I smell so. You're so gone, man. Auntie Annie, morning. Are you? That is what you mean by me. I don't like you. What we do to you? You really not like me, you know. It's Honey, I come in section say, are you? Honey, are you? No. Look at done have I know me. I dog, for seriously, dog, sit down right there, so. I know me. No bother with it. You make me laugh this. I swear to God.
Hey people, all we are going still, you know. They are look for see Annie and TikTok police back together very soon, you know. You see she a got Papi, you know. Might sharp we find out say a link and he go link TikTok police and them lock down and come back on the internet all tomorrow and you see the two of them are go live together. Yeah? Don't be surprised. But we know all the thing. You can watch some more.
Hey, brother, I love when you see. I love when you don't even know. You make me laugh, you. Hey, thank you for the heart, me. Stop that now, you hear me say it done. Done now, man. Me I laugh with the people, them. You don't get the joke, we can't share the joke. You understand me? Yeah, it's not enough. And the people them we I laugh with. The joke not enough, so we're not going to share it with you. Sorry, you can't share. So guys, you know, I go come off a live, alright? I go link on the back. Please, when you see me come up on the live, when you can jump on. I make sure I save all battery and everything. You get what I say? A lot of you guys know what I go on. You don't act like you don't know what I go on. You don't know everything what I go on in my life. You don't know from the pizza car to the old house. You don't know everything what I go on in my life. You get what I say? So you see this right now? This is my mission this morning. And I make sure I complete it. I not play. You understand what I say? I say everybody run through, come take a step on me. I never yet try to make sure I come to boopsin. You understand what I say? But this morning, a problem. I tell you the God Almighty truth. A straight problem. Any money me have, I take it and spend it now. Any money me have, I'm gonna spend my money. Do what me have to do. Problem. Yeah, man. It's too much. We got you. Thank you, baby. Me I go contact on the back when time me done so. Agree. Yeah. Don't say nothing. Alright, money. Me not say nothing at all, my baby. Yeah, me realize them say yeah. Me realize that's what them say. Don't say anything at all. Is a man about vote PMP? You don't really man you come over here about vote. Hey, listen to me now. Go away, I go and tap use my page advertise politics, you know. And I like you not give me nothing, you know. I be going really man in here come over here about vote PMP. Where you not go? God got you, girl. Amen. Good morning. God on time. I got you. Thank you, baby. Hey, love you too, Queen. Hey, morning, blessed morning. Annie, I have something for you. What is that? What is that? Hello. Morning. Blessed morning. Blessed morning. Heart of love, baby. Love and blessing. All right. What is that you have for me? What you have for me? I got you. Thank you. Hey, morning, queen. Can I inbox you? Okay, go ahead. Come here, go come down for the live. All right, go ahead. Just inbox me. I can't see it right now. Come here, go come down. You good? Yes, I'm good. We love trouble you, and we love you. You don't know. Gee. Hey, tell us me I come. You can't come, right? Yeah. You can't come? Oh, Jesus. Guys, me gone. You can't come. You can't come. Love you. Talk to you soon, all right?
Jesus! Me to the king! You even can't spell me name. Brother, that Stig. Stig is here really and I got gym right now, guys.
that black people.
I got a dream.
God, Jim, go take off his belt. Look on the belt, look. See there?
No,
See there?
guys, my beg on.
Sorry, what go on, Sean? Oh, Sean, forward now. Forward, Sean. You come and text comment before you go live. Love France.
Bro, me look dead stamp on me.
Mika unblock me, please. Mira, you get black on everybody account.
Baby, you must say something bad about me.
Exactly. So how you fucking matter about if you unblock?
Money said go school.
Go school. Go school.
Me no want to touch your phone. Me touch it. Mika look like she pregnant. Me not pregnant, bro. Me just eat food. Me never did eat food like that. I'm just say bigger and bigger. You should
say when you don't eat food, they belly get big?
No, when me not eat food, it's small.
Oh, so you start eat food now?
Eat food now.
Oh.
I'm one game butter.
I want why and then they say you gain weight.
I know my belly, don't it?
Yeah.
It don't make sense. That's why I go to gym.
Alright, my people. So we're gonna watch and hear what Dragga say about him, be a mother and thing. You know what I mean? So make we get back in it, people, and watch some more.
I lift some heavy weight.
That's why if you burn some of this again.
Pull your
But I love you, we will miss clip now. You chow.
Huh?
That's so country food make you look.
Yeah, for sure. Because
so foreign food make you look.
Fatter. Like you know then a fat slug.
I can't unblock.
You know no fat slug? Imagine.
Dragga reach back on your
Jaden unmute.
I feel you
eat healthy. Yeah, me eat healthy. Me like greens. Me like greens.
Me just say, see person that want to get black and nobody not black.
Me gain no weight though.
End up on you. When people that you respect me, I don't know black them enough. I don't know black the people that we are this me.
Honestly. Don't balance it.
Everybody jump on.
Wait, oh, wait, shit, bro.
Leave me out of that. You can't get some.
Miss Dragga!
All you want, come in.
Dog, ready yet,
country
dog.
food, you know? Country food, I do your job. Me strong, bro. You ready now?
Ready,
Alex ready? Alex, I come? Me again, because me ready for take
I can't boss, what I do, bro? Code, bro, code.
Bro, you know, if I get bad enough, you don't tap, do that, you know? It's sticky,
so may I make my weed? I can't do that.
Because you don't smoke weed.
Bro, this weed is like again everything. You stop stress.
No, looking at comment, let me show you one example, right?
Now, with you, you have some stress until you're mad, man. I think it was something else.
Stop.
Well, look, come, I'm ready.
Oh, no.
And we walk. I'll go buy Smith.
You understand? The chat supposed to stay wide open. You look nice, thank you.
The bride, me now
you know what you want to charge me for carry out this, sir?
No,
you don't get so much.
West Queen.
5 bills in charge me and one yesterday. 5 bills to go up this.
Use the double.
Come on, buried.
The man tell me say 1,500 for carry.
How much are you?
What carry?
Exactly, so 5 bills to 1 hour. And 5 bills. What kind of style?
Yes,
3 bills and 2 bills I charge to people them normal people them out the road. So I charge with 5 bills.
Cause we with the on social media.
Yeah, where we there on social media?
No.
Where we there on social media?
No.
Because we broke and we all look money. That's why we're on social media. We go on social media for free?
No.
Oh. So no money I look. Just look for survive just like any fucking body else. Because everybody can go on social media.
What we are going to touch, me even like walk. I look at his son. That's why I told my car black now.
We're different. We're not different.
Me not different. Me a human being. Me still bleed. Me still cuss. Me still cry. Me do everything as others. But only thing me personally different.
Come
here. Only say me weird. Me not care if me weird.
So what is so much I want to go in there?
More Richard.
Buy something for me, Mika.
You want the red come?
2 of them, I want. 2.
Yeah, money yesterday.
Brother, you have money, can buy. Let me give you money. About 3 bills to 2 of them, you know. Alright, see money. Now, just buy something, brother, and just school. Just school, lad.
He's alright. Jesus.
Later, we are going live.
He's alright.
Alright, later we go live.
Again, make me sleep. I live from
Look a piece. Look a piece of. Look a piece of grabber. Yeah, man, so get some grabber. Rich blessings, what you mean, bro?
Thank you, guys. Everybody, thank you so much.
Is them good, you know? Is them good?
Guys, become number 1 shooter for me now.
You know, say more address a situation though, cause me not understand them people. At the same time, I start talk, everybody just look past my things, so. I wanna look past my things, so, bro. I don't look into the facts, brother. And top look past my thing, bro. Now address a situation, alright? Now I bring down the mother in the youth.
Yeah.
And she bring down herself and she bring down the kids, you see it? So watch a style I know.
Alright.
Try best way to say it, you see me? Alright. So we are struggle just like any fucking body else, you know. You reach back and you quick door. So quick more reach a fear yard.
Alright, so guys,
sorry, today or Sunday. Anyways, moms have a style for you go around and ask people for things. I don't like them style, brother. Me even me look bad, it make you pick me then look bad. It make our situation look bad, it make our life look bad. And she not here, brother. She not here. If over there she go in a Jaden then box and go and text Jaden a big Jaden and Jaden put her in her place, bro.
You understand?
And a good style that, brother. And a good style that, bro. Nothing wrong if you go work and get what you have to get. When you come on the TikTok, bro, you come work, you look at money and have to come on TikTok and beg for certain things, like. You top her from big. People don't talk about me top the girl from big. Me not top her from big, brother. But oh, you're big. Exactly, I feel me and she. I feel me and she kids. Me and her kids. Her phone no pick me. So you don't have right to come and come and beg about school fee and this, that and that, bro. And when me talk, I fuck with me. Me not say no blood clot woman on TikTok I do them something. No woman. I don't see no woman on TikTok I do this. They come and come and talk about. Guys, I know say school fee no paid. I need some money to pay for school fee and shake khaki.
Alright, people. So, watch out. Me feel like say Dragga just don't want people have things over him or him youth them. Why him no like the idea of say him woman them on TikTok and tell the people them say yo, you know what I mean, the youth them want this and want that. Because you don't know them people that stay up on TikTok as them do something for you, so you know what I mean, tomorrow you and them a cuss, them bring you down and tell you how them do for you. You understand? And everybody are gonna make it on TikTok still, you know, my people. But I'm gonna ask, you know, Dragga them if them a get the help right now, them we take it. But you know what I mean, some man full of pride and them type of way the way them don't want nobody feel like so just because, you know what I mean, them don't want nobody have nothing over them or them people. I just saw it go some other time, you know what I mean? So Chanel should know the type of man what she have before she go do what she do, you know what I mean? So let me know what you think the people or what some more.
Uniform, don't buy it and it's not good, bro. That is not good, brother. You make me look bad, by the way. You make your kids look bad. When the man look a man go to school, people go bully him bum buckler, bro. Look into me and talk about, brother. Me never set up big, bro, but big on that style, bro. Big on that fucking style. All if you did want a money to buy a jazz. Company come beg for what me can say, a bag juice. Me give a example. You want money to buy a panty book for your ass. Company come beg for a bag juice and then go buy jars. You understand? Or say rent. See a good idea there. How this? I just come and come play too much. Cause nobody no want sorry for nobody, bro. Nobody no want come. You think me I come on TikTok come look for sorry for? I think nobody no want sit down and watch nobody sad up themselves. It's not good. It's not a good look, bro. It chat one entertainment. You come here, you no come here for watch for entertainment, dog. You no come here for somebody sit down on the pan.
Yep, make I get rid of you too. Thank you. Make I get rid
sad up yourself, bro. Nobody nah go support your dog.
baby.
Oh, me talk a fuck me a chat, bro. Just do me tell the girl that why the girl come online and come talk about me a batty man, dog. And then me for turn around her. Yeah, turn around her, brother. I fuck her style that. Fuck her style that. Pure begging. Pure begging. Give her a chance. Why me give her too much chance then? Me no say chance I did it, but right now just a focus on myself right now. I focus on myself. And the idea to make myself better for my kids them better. If me no better then nah better blood clot. Or me go mind them or me go take care of them. Sometimes some sacrifices have to make. Hey bestie. Where go on bestie? Bro, me not bring her down or nothing, bro, but some style need to cut out, but man. Some style need to cut out.
Why are you looking for that kind?
The next something more I just know. Something more I just. What you call this? Youth. Call this a youth. Today is Sunday, you know. Alright. I don't think I want to come out disrespectful at all. But
Alright, see you later here.
Frotty more TikTok police. You see, any day you want to come lick me in my face, boy, you know me there. You come here so already. You come here so already. You know me there. So come lick me in my face. Any day you ready. Because I don't need Annie to back me, I don't need Nika to back me, I don't need Alex to back me. But there so. Any day you ready. Because you have a lick in your face, you know. Make sure that is a promise.
Ignore them, please.
Make sure you promise that, boy. This a brown country boy, I never take lick in a face yet. I never hear say no boy lick me in my face yet. And me bite batty jar forget hardy key. So come lick me in my face. Anytime you're ready. That me I tell you.
You understand me? So we can know if moderator in the chat place or no.
Anytime you're ready.
The person coming more than once, more than twice.
Oi. When you see them two man, you see them you see them marking on face? A jail me go a 7 man attack me out. 7 man and I'm me alone. And it's a washing brush here on the corner, bro. You know when you kick a ball and it like you take a corner shot. Bro, it's a washing brush. Lick me na me right as that one a dog then still on a washing brush in a jailhouse dog. And me still fuck them up. That never take me down, blood are running on my face, me can't see. And me a fuck up man. 7 man and a 3 man go hospital. 3 man go hospital.
So what I'm saying to you guys is...
So you come, you want to say for some mighty. You forward. Let me see what you can do.
But what I'm saying to you guys, right?
You see where they pan. That the last time you get in a fighting. I want to see you run down for me youth.
Alright?
I want to see how you can do it.
I don't know if you think I love the bullying type of thing, but
I'm going to take chat, you know.
Thank you, baby. When people miss
anyway, you see me, I want you lick me on my face, pussy. I see where they pan.
I saw me sleep.
And the next body I want to address.
You show me respect.
Batty boy, red hands.
You show me love.
Top blood clot, beat up a girl. No, I'm not call that girl. Stop beat up Anna down there.
Alright?
Stop beat up blood clot Anna down. And realize so now see them come live and something.
Very nice.
I'm not going to talk about them business too.
You understand?
Allow them to come on the media with them business.
The people are
Batty boy red hands.
Maybe you will just take it.
They ain't trying to bring me around on you know. Cause anytime I see you back in a youth. Anytime I see you back in a youth. Don't worry yourself, man. I true me know say yo, if me go around, you know, if me go around them, you know. If me go around them and me start no fuck you, you know, dog. Nobody now go pick up for me, you know. But me not tell no lie, dog. Somebody if you just hold red hands and tap him in the mouth, dog.
Culture.
Somebody if you hold him and squeeze him blood clot throat.
Alright, thank you.
Somebody if you hold him and bumbo clot, join him pussy clot.
Okay, so it's...
Cause me don't know where the bumbo clot they come and beat up your little girls so you.
Okay.
What kind of fuckery style that? When you realize I don't hear about them. I don't want to hear what go on.
Please, I'm asking you guys.
I don't want to hear what go on.
He don't deserve it. He's a very nice person.
I don't want to hear what
You
go on.
understand me? Me hear some people that say, I want to...
The other youth, they come like saying sick in the head and a lag. The youth, they come like sick in the head, you.
Yeah?
They come like Anna love a madness.
I know me, you send a request.
But Anna, any day ready, you have a big brother, you see it? I'm ready for dead for no one on you know. Me dead for one on.
I tell you the truth, baby.
Any day ready, link me. I'm sure you beat you, because you come like you're afraid of him, you know. Come like you're afraid of him. Just link me, man. Big brother will deal with it.
So I don't understand where you're talking about my love. Boy, you ain't my love, man. You get me? You need to get me a trophy. I deserve it.
Anna go, me tell you, Anna love a beating, so you know come to me. But me just give you that message to Anna.
Come out today and he want to be himself. He's gonna.
Me have to say this to Dragga, you know what I mean? Because I always hear that saying, yeah. You say if sick man don't care, or doctor fi care. Sick man don't care, doctor can't care. So, mother tell Dragga say if we avoid Anna and that youth red ants. You see me I say, all when them left and Anna want him to do red ant something, him not to do it. Him not to follow her. You know what I mean? Leave it alone. You know what I mean? Because I know say you're a baby mother in a vibes too. You see me I say, and you may lick your baby mother also. You know what I mean? Remember say she a family too. So sometimes we have to pray ourselves too, you know. You know what I mean? And not just other people. I mean, I say it's right for woman get licked, but remember say you do it too. So oh you have a problem with that, wanna do it too for your sister. See, you are going now. If them left you now and him see her and do her something, well, them the time there, you can do him something. But while them together, anything where him do her, you know what I mean? If him do it repeatedly and she not left, allow them. Simple as that.
Just I give you that message, because I call like you're afraid of him. I'm not afraid of him, man. Because you don't know, say me a madman or anything.
No, let me talk to you.
You don't know, say me a madman, me do anything.
This is my white man. I never have a white man yet.
We go in a war.
You understand what I say? And I don't
what you call that?
I don't
if me can't manage somebody, if me can't manage somebody,
right?
Me and him a good.
My first white
You don't understand? Me dead in a war.
Alright?
I submit on. But you have to dead too.
And come mash up in the relationship.
Who Anya talk to? I don't know.
You never see me teeth in real life. No. You know, so you never see me teeth in real life. I people tell me about it.
You don't go find it, I go find
You
out.
never smell my mouth in real life. I people tell me about my mouth, you know.
How man strength the boy have,
Man, let
man?
me talk to my people, them and just say the only for request, no, man.
How man strength the man?
So, what me I said, sure. Give Conrad, oh, gee, Father God. Give Conrad a chance to have this experience with
Woman strength the boy have.
okay? Give him that
I mean, you say boy a beat the girl with the baby in her hand, you know, brother. All kind of style girl of dip on the ground and go up the baby, so bro.
No, that's something you never look after that person.
Yo, it burn me in a youth.
Alright, now you can make that. What do you mean by? What do you mean by? Alright.
Me there start talking two of them there in a bed, I walk up and kiss up and bum buckler. Why? I'm tapping on it.
Why would I send the man video? Eh?
Probably I feed each other right now in the morning.
Only leave one, give me
And having a sip of cup of tea. We're going on a chat.
I saw the bad man now wicked because I see the white man like me. I was gonna this side, I don't want to say they look for white man. The video, suppose to not blind the people then people. Eh? Suppose we don't give the people, they don't blind the people then people. You can't look for go send video, go give the man maybe we don't even want the man who not go send him the video. We don't go put one in for the video.
But I'm afraid of him.
Not go give the man. But anyway.
Yeah, pussy too no.
He's not that type of person. So you know when we
go afraid of him. You have a blood clot that.
I make sure say me send the video go give him.
Afraid of who?
So you
I'm afraid of you too, man.
Video go give him.
Oh, let me know my face.
Me rather
afraid of who?
Save more than make you go chat for me. But guess what? Conrad still loves me. You know, he said I love you. We kissed. You know, it's an awkward kiss.
I don't think alright up this.
Yeah, kiss very awkward, but he's
check
okay
it up this alright.
It's okay. He loves something.
Please follow me.
Alright? So me don't want to come mash up my relationship. You hear me? I want to know. Oh. You know me I go customer. No, seriously. I'm going to deny it again. I'm going to come. Watch what the man. No, look at the man I do. Watch what I do again.
The back do I pray?
I'm going to deny it again. Watch what the man I go do again. Jesus Christ.
Mommy. Mommy.
Yeah?
I wish page at the pan.
Eh?
I wish page at the pan.
The what?
Which page at the pan?
The big page.
So me not see.
I don't know, I don't think that's them people there, no. God no. I wonder.
Good morning, Cherry. Where page in? In a match? In a match? No, I don't see you. I search for you, but you say following, that's all I say hard. Move your day in a match. Riri, thank you. Thank you, Riri. Mummy. Take him out. Take him out. Live restriction. What the fuck me get restriction, bro?
Okay, will you stop sending me the request over and over, please? I don't like
Underpants.
continue to do it so often. Like, do it with 100.
Underpants.
You're not stopping.
I can't underpants.
You're determined enough.
But no, we're
I
underpants.
don't like it. One matter.
If him not help with the kids, she no must come back. Of course, me help with the kids.
No problem.
Alright, my people. So we are going to watch a bit more and then we are going to move on to the next, my people. So tell me what you think in our comment section.
Every fucking day, me I help with the kids.
Yes.
Move your blood clot, you know nothing about me. You know nothing about we. What you mean if me not help with the kids, you know must come beg? Or when me have blood clot help with the kids, she a beg.
No, I mean a competition.
You a pussy clot and good, man. You know nothing about we, man.
I'm sure more that winning.
All if me not help with the blood clot kids, I have ambition and a bum bucket go up and life got certain things. And if you fucking pick them, then look away. Come draw me out on the Sunday and I may take time to turn Christian.
Hey boy, thank you.
Your dirty stink, hey.
Jennifer, thank you.
Oh my
Yeah?
God.
Yeah?
If you never know to blood clot.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Well, me take my last and they up here starve.
Yes, we are playing one match. So if you can show some love, if you can give him a heart. Yeah, give him a little heart or something like that. Any little thing you can bless him up with, that would be nice. Please, I'm asking you. We can get a heart and money gun. Any little thing, chat. Please, I'm asking you. Please.
Fuck me get restriction for. You need a one paper.
Odi, no me
Well, if you didn't forget to make one paper.
Yeah?
Somebody remind me when we come after
Come on,
life.
guys. Everybody, double tap, double
Her head cheap and she just want to walk with the baby in her hot sun. Nothing no gusto fam. All it may have things, right? There's going to yard, go chill now, or call your mommy, take a taxi and go on up a mommy yard in her house. Now, you can't walk with my baby in a hot sun for a Sunday. And you don't know you walk, go, you just have to walk, so that don't make no sense. So even though Redant's bad, you know, even though I'm wrong, you know, or whatever I'm do to her that day there, right? But guess what, one? She can't walk in a hot sun with the picnic. She not even feed the picnic for a man in that day there. She not even feed the picnic and she want to go a road.
She fuck up that day there. And even before that, you know, mash. Me dey over there already myself, you know, so me I go watch what go on, you know.
Yes.
And suppose
Red and straight no Anna and keeping her hostage. Rascal. What is funny? I want different one. This
no, the same video that me that talk about.
yeah, but I not eat this. I not this man in this.
No, I know this man me I talk about. The one from where the I eat that here watch man.
Yeah. But me I look at this man in one. Me I look for.
Your video where Red Ant beat up Anna with the baby in her hand.
Today me I look for one. Today one me I look.
Yeah man, I eat it. Yeah. Look for that one there.
Today one me.
No, Red Ants I eat that still look at yo. If this have to be a prank because you see me and
Me uncle see the video with Dragga talk about it.
yo, Dragga figure sit down to you know. Me not telling like Dragga big. Dragga figure sit down, you know. Him last to you know. Him last to.
I you know say me feel like say it's another prank them I come with car. And I understand time my mother trend, you know. She always come with something.
True. Them a bounce off of each other clouds.
Beating off it trend. Take beating off it trend.
Only people that get beaten, but what they scare them there? What they swell up them there? Eh? What that there? What they scare and they swell up them there? Even a one red mark. Remember say she not that dark skin, you know.
Even though she did say put the abuse aside.
Sometimes so would hot
Yo, enough time I see woman going at things, I'm a woman in things, and they always have a scare, something on them, something. I could have even when we are tussle, you fling your hand and lick your hand on something and you get a cut. Where they scare them there, where they cut them there, where they there because for them who like saying a normal, where they injury them there.
Must have bruised now, cause we not see her a couple days well now. Me hear say them a war long time, so and then go down and Annie and Annie try kiss the baby. And Annie kiss the baby make Red Ants and Anna fight, guys. And Annie mouth salt up the people their life. All of us
no star. I want the baby now. I want the baby to get on bump and he live in the
Red and say anytime Annie come round, war always in a him and a relationship.
and he lose money too. Him say when he lose a bag of money.
And
no, like still, I sit up on my 4 years still. Until Sunday. Big up in a blam them sister. Me I jump off my life. I'm kind of tired of this now for sure. Big up my sister. Big up to all the women in the life. They hear that. One do the right thing. Alright.
Yeah, man. You can't find this man in one. Which one me I go find this one?
Anna. You see last time me hear Red and beat Anna?
Well,
me say me have to see it next time, and when me go over there next time, at night Joe me see Anna carry the baby going and the youth a hold her around her waist and tell her to come in her house. And to everybody around her ball say Red and beat Anna, Red and beat Anna. Anna mad pussy blood clot, yeah. Anna
Happy Sunday.
Maddos.
Happy Sunday, aunties. Happy Sunday, all my beautiful aunties. Why?
Come a busy and clean.
Me too. Me busy. Me just there chit chat with the auntie them and a catch up and a reverse and a rehearse and a member. You know, we are think and a talk and we are watch what's going on. But what's going on this morning is not at all.
Where they say Anna they pan live now? Could this a lot more trouble more chalk one yeah?
Money big pussy girl them a look here and money they want.
So
and
Sunday morning, Anna get up at 5 she a red dance?
Yeah.
No, sir. You see, this is why I say from morning, you know, me I clean my house and done cook early car. And it been taking up too much of my time. And me feel like me I get
too much.
Yeah, too much.
Me I cook my back.
You lucky me done boil my peas and cook my pigtail and my salt beef. Me about to go look some skeleton and time. And chew my rice them. Alright. And I
people, Mika the pregnant, you know. You don't see Mika on live, though. What Mika say I go do a while ago. Mika say she go to a gym, go take down her belly. You see me? So I just near Mika near enough and near my late night. And that Jamal tell you about the girl them and the KFC. And KFC I big up them belly, so you know what I mean? So make me know what to think with people. What's up, man?
that whistle and still a clean.
Me see Annie come out on a video. A video me all look for too. To show you when Annie a dance about the baby where them a say Mika pregnant. I say like should I say 4 grand pitney or 5? About 6 grand.
No, she said 7 grand pitney and somebody correct her and say you mean 7 children and 4 grand pitney.
He must have near me resign grand pitney them.
That mean I had a pitney and pitney.
Them.
And she a dance about here. For Annie say boy, he no figure so she figure school and he a dance so celebrate.
Who and get beat up at the end of the day, all we are woman and we can't talk. We talk, we don't laugh.
All of them dead feel hungry like a dog. We have to go back on the street. Why?
Now Red Ants are going to Airbnb after we go over, they go send on a blood clot money thing. Say my beat Anna. We go see Anna and him a wind up on each other and she back it up on him.
So one of them can go booking a hotel themselves for Airbnb. I don't know, work full of hard working money. I get careless, workless, tough people when I want nothing in a life.
Guys, more ice cream today, Sunday. Ice cream cake.
This police say Annie take away the whole of the city them out of the hotel.
All of the towel them in the beach.
They can't buy no.
Beat the girl love. Girl love beat me. If you love girl, make girl take beat now.
Oh, you mean kick out her bread and kick it out.
Kick out
and you want man, you shall get. You're too workless man. Me never see this. Everybody want to be like them woman.
Every day you get
afternoon, everybody.
Afternoon.
Me know when woman I get beaten from them man, them pack up and run. She not get no beating.
Christian, where you going with my auntie? Good afternoon, my baby.
My there, boy, and you have to go down. But I know I have to go down. Me tell you no.
You can report police.
Me tell you no say. We need for those somebody just need to see Annie and just start beat her up.
In the head.
Be a head lick. Let's have a look at things.
They have to look out for her, to fuck up her face.
She report police people, them are going to send the video and tell the police them say, hey, everybody have the video.
Yes, dirty Chanel. Yes, Chanel. Chanel is a little master manipulator, sneaking, thieving bitch. And Dragga have all right for deal with her, or him deal with her. Cause you see, she's a little low-life scumbag. Me no see what is nicer than my money. You see, my money, me have a special love for my money.
Dragga post a video on his page a couple days ago and saying him not stop talking.
She over on live, Chanel.
Post that. Oi, me feel like a Chanel post that. Make them go, two of them are thief. And Annie train them, two of them are thief. No, type two of them are different. The two of them worthless. Cause if you check his stock, if they did a work front time, then pick you the organized already figure school. They on the day they gonna bring down themselves and scam people to get people blood clot money out of their pocket. All of them are same thing.
Same thing, Dragga. See that for people say.
Chanel can't cook though. Chanel can't cook. Chanel cannot cook for keep no man or save her life. If it in the nanny I'm from Chanel nasty no blood clot. You see Chanel full of periods. Hey lady liar. Chanel full of periods. Chanel come like a
Chanel you cook and then on me food. Amika them don't have the get.
Boy, the happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday.
Sunday, darling. Happy Sunday, all my aunties. Happy Sunday.
Yeah, happy
Sunday.
Yeah.
How you doing, all?
Sunday.
You're gonna wait.
We talk about that so good girl with teeth all of the people them towel out of the ghetto.
Yeah, talk about the so good girl. Yeah, talk about the so good girl. You know hear Jaden ask King say if you're not there with Vanny. Man said King said, bro, what are you talking about, bro? Do you see any girls, bro? Why you don't go and dig out her hole? And they run off my life.
I then send her over the just say them
I don't face.
Lady liar
with just somebody just send me.
I then send him over the just say Capricorn.
Me like what TikTok police about the car. Saying no, say car frig up and mash up and don't nobody now go buy.
But TikTok police not a sense either because he say car overeat and it me never TikTok police have car in the door. Check out the regulator.
But hold on in a Capricorn, you know, you say car no service.
He said,
the car don't service.
She no service the car and
how
she
much
show new
how much years the car partner service now, so they have to, you're right, because he said then show all aisle for new aisle for all aisle.
Yes, and he said one of the fan of the radiator not spinning, one of spin but one not spinning.
Oh God.
Oh, that's why I care over it too.
Remember say TikTok police have been walk before it driving, you know, so more car, you know, so.
Yeah,
in the atmosphere. And then the pan yoko baga shekepe suka papa. The fuck? I can't understand no. Me no understand. Me no want none of no pray for me. Me mother we pray for me. Me no want none of no pray for me, brother. Me no accept no prayer from none of no over here. None of no, and it might sound away, but I don't give a flying fuck. Me no want none of no pastor, evangelist, none of no over here pray for me. Una witch, una witch. Me no want none of no pray for me. Somebody can tell us that me I go dead and you go come on TikTok come hear it out. You come on TikTok come say Lord I'm brawling. Oh, I see a vision. Candy is going to the head. You wouldn't even come and say, boy, I saw something in a dream about a TikToker and I bind it up right now in the mighty name of Jesus. I send it back to the pit of hell. I bind it up. You don't do that. You come hear it out. You come put it in the ear. You make your tongue speak it. Okay. So you speak it into existence now. You not make it better for me.
Teach them.
I don't make it better for me. You're not like me. You is not of God. You is not of God because you cannot be a pastor and you know these things. Them you think and normal things to know as a pastor. Say power is within the tongue. Power in the tongue. Anything you talk, you can bring it to life. That's why people that tell you, they say, you see the chopper them would say walk and believe. Speak it and believe. Cause them know it, down to the chopper them know it. Them would say, yo, you know your power, your pop say, yo, all on him broke him attack, say, oh, me rich and see them rich out now. Power there within the tongue. So the fuck you mean never did I ever come hear it out? Me no want no prayer from none of you, no witch.
Die, but live on the
witch. Me no want no prayer from none of you. No prayer me no want from none of you. Cause all if me no fi dead, uno a go make me dead. We are here, come pan live, we are here.
People, you see anybody tell you say you are going to unalive, and them and them friend a plan for hurt you. You hear me say? Them and them friend a plan for do you something. Nobody know if them or anybody else are going to drop out. Just so. Unless you're a doctor. You see me? But normal human being, no matter what them call themselves, prophet, pastor, whatever, them no know that. You see me I say? So tell me what you think, my people.
Come here out that boy, me I go dead. Are you want me dead? And you see me, I'm telling you something. You see the devil not really have no power, you know, when that even really, the devil not no power when it commands to God, you know. The devil not have no power when it commands to God, when it commands to death and certain things. So you see, because the devil knows say, you don't have no knowledge and you don't have no wisdom, me not for that, you know. No enough to do me, you know. But you see, because the devil knows say you don't have no wisdom and you fool, the devil are going to just go in your head to tell you something for you hear it out so it can't happen. And that me a show you, the devil a use you and God a use you, brother. And the devil a use you. The devil know you have no wisdom, you just go on like, walk like God, talk like God, not have God. The same thing we come talk about when you come about Nisha. And oh, everybody a get dream and everybody a get vision. 10 different pastors, can I get 10 different vision? I wanna say it's of God. Listen to me, I don't know if Christian, I don't know pastor, but me have sense. But keep on telling you this, I don't idiot. 10 different pastor, 10 different message. I wanna say a God say no. Somebody a tell lie. Somebody a tell lie. Somebody is telling a lie. And I don't know what it is, but maybe the whole I wanna tell lie too. Because God is not the author of confusion. So when you get message for me, my DM always home. My DM always home. Why not come tell me when I go pan life, go hear it out? No, me no want a prayer from you. No prayer me no want from you. Me no want no prayer at all from none of you. Uno is not of God. Uno is not of God, and I one thing me know if do a prayer. No matter how much sin me I will line, God I go answer my prayer them, because God not turn me away. Because me know God for myself. Me know God. Me don't want nobody know God for me. Because now go on like an idiot. A be use the devil use, you know. Be use the devil use, you know. Once the nobody feel like say devil no know. Only thing the devil can do is breathe or blow breath, you know. That's the only thing the devil cannot do is blow breath and make a next human being. Him can do every other else thing. Him can do every other else thing. I mean here say him can't read my neither, but me no know how, me not sure about that one day. But me sure say the only thing him can do is blow breath. So the devil knows how to have no sense and use, you know. You not speak things into the atmosphere. Enough for happen, but once you speak it into the atmosphere, it never lose into the atmosphere. You speak that, brother, a quick it can happen. Cause your tongue powerful. Me not understand. Dog, me just can't understand, brother. Me, I'm not a pastor, brother. Me I'm a Christian, none at all, bro. Me, I'm a Christian, none at all. Me is not a pastor. And me, I wonder, oh, me know them something about the pastor where supposed to know the Bible. Una go to church every day. Una know certain basic things about Christianity and about power and in the spiritual realm. Una know basic things, bro. Basic things una don't know. Me not get it. After the devil work una do, I cannot God. A basic thing, you know? Them are something a basic things. Basic things. They know when it comes to spirituality. When it comes to spirituality, and when you talk about the spiritual realm, when you talk about Christianity, and basic information and basic things they have to know. You come hear it out. You have to come on TikTok with it. Why you can't do God work and most views you look. Because if you pray, just come on live. Even if you want to come, you can't come on live, because if you even come on live, you reach to more people. You reach out to more people. You not even know. You pray somebody might get a deliverance through the phone. You get what I say? So going live is not the issue I'm praying, but when you go live and I speak out something about a specific person, you talk it out and then they pan check it, baby. Kaka balaba. Pray if you are praying, nobody don't need to know who you get message about. I mean, no, not go like me after this, the pastor them and all of the people them on TikTok, we claim for say, una evangelist or una pastor. Somehow you need to go clean up on yourself. Clean up on yourself and clean up on your heart before you come on TikTok and try, but now get message. And I say you get message, and I get message, so. And I saw people get message. And you see sometimes when you get message, you go pray about that message there. You don't just get message and run and click a TikTok live and gone. Gone run off your mouth. And some message go because the devil can talk to you too. Yourself can talk to you and the devil can talk to you. You know how much time me talk to myself? People talk to themselves a lot and things. You gotta talk to them. Not a God. No God, not sometimes yourself talk to you.
Hey people, I'm tell more what thinking in the comment section, because all of them people up on TikTok, none of them are real. You see me? All of them are look clout and followers and money, and they will do anything for that. Remember me tell you can't trust none of them.
Sometimes some people have discernment. Sometimes some people have great discernment. I know God I talk to them and themselves. Them have great discernment. So send me the writer so now I want mind say, boy, don't go down this and see if you go down this so something I go or you say, you know something know what right now, I go the writer so under light they go flicker. Sometimes I got it, but sometimes I don't really got to talk to you. You just have great discernment. You have that power there. God give everybody a gift. That's just your gift. Sometimes yourself I talk to you, brother. Them want oh God. But I know how much time I there so that I guess because I'm paranoid. Hear myself no bombard. You know, so suppose me go down the road and somebody kidnap me. But I know God talk to me, me just para-friggin-noid. Me just paranoid. But while me I drive bombard, suppose somebody come here right now, come shoot me. Paranoia. Me paranoid. I only thing me I see up every day. Paranoid right now, we are living in one fucked up world, bro. Me paranoid. I know God talk to me and myself. When I get vision and just automatically think of God. God is not the art of confusion. God not deal with nice and all of them something there. If you so much of a relationship with God and you get a vision, go and go pray about the vision. Go pray about it. God needs it. Bend down and pray. Fast and pray for all 3 days. Fast and pray. Ban your belly and no name nothing and go read your Bible and fast and pray. Ask God about a message. Him will answer you.
As you hear something clicking in your mind, oh God tell me about this. Oh God tell me say you go dead. Oh God do this, God do that. Me no want none. I want to pray for me, you know. If me fi dead, me dead. Me no want none. I want to pray for me. None I want to. Because no prayer them no make sense. Cause force you not force that from people sometime, you know. We not force things in the atmosphere. Me no want none. I want to pray for me. More pray for myself and my mother will pray for me. Apart from me, no want none I want to see no vision. God, don't give none of them pie no vision, but me give one normal person where we are not even Christian. But you give a normal person where not even feel. Me will more to believe them. Me will more to believe a person where I'm not Christian none at all. Cause some of them people do not Christian, them holier than them past, some of them pastor and evangelists and whichever name them say them want to get. Some of them more holy and we more forget a message cause I don't know where them. You know, I'm shut up before me disrespect you know, cause I don't want disrespect you know. I don't want disrespect no now.
Yes, she will do it. Me know her, she will do it. And people are going to believe that to me and come from side place now them she night box up and say, yeah, she wicked, she will do it for you. Two man with silencer. And our friend them, share them a good friend, you know. Say, but you never tell me nothing about that when we are here with friend. You say you know one hairdresser and you say one car. But you don't know who did in a car. That's it. You never say nothing about no man push out nothing out of window all of the and pick me up and put on pot cover, plate, fork and spoon.
We have to sleep all that grung and all of them sitting there.
We have to sleep all grung and them sitting there. Never hear them something.
Over Roger and she was lying as them black me Ras.
Where people have been out there like?
Alright, the two wickedest somebody when I see on this media and a blood clot, Candy and Bella.
Which one are Bella?
Fio Bella. Old man Bella.
Have on the uniform?
When them people, when you see through them have on a uniform, when them come out come say the grass is green, you know man. Blood clot, you have to convince say green for you, you know.
I say Bella now. I don't know how to describe Bella because this minute you think you're Bella good and the next minute you're
Bella can never good. Cause me see one night time I'll bring Bella used to chat about so Bella can't tear me.
I don't know how to what's it because this minute you think everything alright and we don't go on our live and you share talk about it so me come in like this now. Don't worry,
I guess some people are just do some things for content. You know what me hate? Dana, me tell you the truth. There's so much mix up with it on the internet for talk about. And it's like, you know, with some people, they come and sit down for your life, you know, and you say the grass is green, you know. Yeah, them blood clot down over there, and I know green grass. It's like they want to tear down you, they don't want to tear down the mix up. Look on police come out with toothbrush or whatever. And them is something that you talk about because still you think on go on. Them is something that funny.
Yeah, because and I feel woman that him talk about the human, so I feel them.
Thank you very much.
I them story with them talk after.
Okay.
But they want to cuss you when you talk after them cuss you.
Because they have a mind of their own, you know, get it. Then don't have a mind of their own.
Because guess what? A lot of them have you up long time, so they might wait for you to touch for that topic for them touch on you. A lot of them are doing, you know. And you them have a beef with, you know. Them want to figure something, alright. Now I'm going to say something to you if you notice with certain people. 10 somebody can talk about the one thing and a one the answer. Okay.
Thank you.
But the one person have to answer after you have look on name.
Thank you.
Because they want
But tell her you think on go on. See mommy, them things that they have me up, you know, see me have one up to, so I want me tell them all of them, so they feel this take time, put me down one by blood clot one. Cause see me see look a blood clot fuck out Kerry. Anytime anything to do with me, I know she always have the most with blood clot. So I did not even understand, I know, see I her time no come yet. Cause I'm ready for answer blood clot she yet. She always have the most for say. Cause see me this
there have a lot of people on your list we put down.
You have a whole heap of them, man. Me tell her the other day say I see him thing me when tell her say with D, me tell one by one and come up the hill. She up on the list. It's just through the right time to come with she. Kind time me bossy pan blood clot she. I see me the other day when the whole argument go on with the one breast.
People, me not lie still, you know. With the Candy I Life thing, what she say about Dan or whatever. Me don't know what go on still, you know. But it's either she's a good actress or, you know what I mean, something go on for real, because me not lie with people. When me hear she talk about the thing, what happened, she did really sound shook. You know what I mean? And from them the time that she not really dip on social media like that. You know what I mean? Me not hear nothing about her on social media again. So wanna tell me what I think. You know what I mean? So look what some more.
Woman, oh, all me have to say, she shouldn't talk about her blood clot sickness. Me talk about the thing I want to talk about. Listen to me. Because tell her, she swears she bad and she can pull up on anybody at all. And me well want him pull up on one day.
Yeah. That's a ush carry attack. Carry where is over here?
Now you see him look at shit in a plate. She see him one. Where do you think I'm afraid? And she see him one. Mama say she a bad girl, you know, me love war with bad girl. Me don't want bother with the people and we partner bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I bad one them me want to war with. You know, see what they went in the taxi and she with the whole, you know, see what they come when he come talk about. Yeah man, and me and my family and page you lie like a show.
American. What's up? Morning. Why be I tell you? TikTok, brother. You come like something up on TikTok where I don't know what to say. Something
yes, you know when some of them people you go back to the story as me say. Most of them people when something they go on then they say, alright, then they mind them business and just sit down and wait say, okay, Dan and Lisa over there they war. Yes man, I ideal moment, they must sound like a blood clot groupie.
You know say a few peacemakers up on the internet?
Okay. Why me don't know about that?
Fire, like push fire.
No, me don't know about that. It's like most of them realize that when they push fire, it bring the mix up. So
the mix up and they want the drama.
The
drama, cause drama sell. Everybody want the pass screamer card. Some people got them and say, oh me never get a screamer card yet.
So me text me inbox Tasha and Tasha now tell me. Look at Tasha they job back information. Me I go block you from my business place if you can't tell me how you know me. Cause you come out they tell me something you know I know you nobody want to tell me.